Hey guys, I haven't posted anything in a while and I apologize for it. It's been really hot here. It's been hot everywhere. The air quality's not good right now. So my plan today was to come to the property and do a drone video. So I got my husband's drone. It's a nice one. It's a Roku. Thought I'd practice with it at home. Had no problems. Thought I was a pro. I could do it here. I don't have power lines. I even made a nice clear spot, a clear pad. That's the one thing I need to make sure it flies okay. And I took it off, like went up in the air, and it crashed right there into my brush pile. So I need to practice flying it without a GPS signal. That's what the problem was, because out here in the sticks it couldn't find a GPS signal, so I was kind of SOL. So if there's anybody watching this that has had issues with the Roku and can't find GPS to get it to fly, please give me some hints. I have to go home and watch videos, look at their website, see how I can do better. After it crashed in the brush pile, I was grateful because I didn't want it to fly over into the creek. But yeah, I haven't been able to do much here. I dug out a couple stumps today because again, I just planned on getting some drone footage so I can see what I still have left to do and just I just want to see all the property that I have. So hopefully I'll be posting another video soon. The weather, it all depends on the weather really. Sorry, if it's too hot, it's not worth the heat stroke. But again, thanks again guys for watching. Sorry I don't have anything good to post today, but again, I was hoping to post something, but I'm just giving you guys a recap and letting you know what's going on. Thanks again guys, I appreciate you.